In today's video, I'll teach you how to change phone number on IQ option. So if you want to change the phone number on IQ option, what you have to do is contact their support team. You'll not be able to directly change your phone number. What you have to do is simply contact the IQ option support and they'll handle the process of deleting your old phone number. So what you have to do is simply contact them via the email. For that, what you have to do is launch open Gmail. Go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here Gmail has been opened. What you have to do is simply click on this option, compose. Now you'll be able to compose the email. In the recipient option or in the to option, what you have to do is simply enter this email address, support@iqoption.com. Now after you do that, you'll also have to enter the subject. Click on the field of subject. Now what you have to do is clearly state that you want to change your phone number. For example, you can simply write request to change phone number. Now you'll also have to compose the body. In the body section, you'll have to clearly state your request to change your phone number. Also make sure to include the last 3 digits of your old phone number in order to verify your identity. You can see over here I've composed the body of the email. You can enter it on your own words. Now after you do that, what you have to do is click on the send option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the email has been sent. After the email has been sent, IQ option will review your email. They'll also look into your request. Now they will handle the process of deleting the old phone number, which will allow you to add your new one. So like this, you'll be able to change the phone number. So that is how you change phone number on IQ option. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.